Everyday, may mga ideas ka kung paano umasenso sa buhay. Your heart and intuition tells you, "Uy, apply kaya ako sa trabahong 'to, baka mas malaki ang sahod." Or, "Uy, gawin ko kaya 'tong project na 'to, start ko kaya 'tong negosyong 'to, baka swertehin ako." Or, "Start kaya ako mag-content, baka dumami ang followers ko." Pero bago mo pa masimulan yung idea na yun, there's this voice inside of you that says, "Wag na, baka mapahiya lang ako. Sino ba ako para mag-ambisyon? Baka sabihin nila mayabang ako." And so, you are stuck. Walang progress ang buhay mo. And the next thing you know, tumanda ka na. And all your dreams are gone. The truth is, you fear embarrassment more than failure. Mas okay na sa'yo hindi subukan ang mga pangarap mo, kaysa magmukhang tanga sa harap ng iba. You say, "Next time na lang," to avoid being seen. You say, "Simpleng buhay lang ako," to play it safe. You tell yourself, "Di pa ako ready. Baka mabash lang ako." But deep down inside, you know, when you say these things, you let yourself down. And in order to cope, you tell yourself, "Well, at least humble naman ako eh." Kabayan, please, tigilan mo yan at magkatotohanan tayo. Be honest with yourself. I know deep down inside of you, you're not happy because deep down inside of you, you know you can do more. You know you're capable of more than what you're currently doing now. Buong buhay mo, pinapalpal mo sarili mo dahil insecure ka at ayaw mong mapahiya. And this insecurity has now become your comfort zone. That's not humility. That's a life of fear.